Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily resize app icons on any iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments after watching and put likes under this video. So friends, let us get down to this interesting topic. If you are not satisfied with the size of the icons on the work screen of your iPhone, then there is a simple method how you can enlarge them. And for that, you will have to open the settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down them a little bit and select the display brightness option. Next here, scroll down a little bit more. At the very bottom, select this option. And as you can see here, there are two options for how the display or the screen of your iPhone can look. There's a default one that's set, and you can also zoom in on the text. And if you choose this one, you just need to click on the check mark under that option, and then at the top right, click Done. After that, your iPhone will reboot, or so to speak, it will freeze for a few seconds. Do not be frightened by this, it's just a reset. Data settings on your iPhone. After that, absolutely everything and icons and font size and widgets, everything will become many times bigger and you will see it. Friends, in this way, very quick and simple, you can easily change the size of application icons on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Put your likes, write your comments. Bye-bye.